Welcome back. Last week we had an opportunity to worship, to experience liturgy writing, and maybe for some of you for the first time to write your own liturgy. We talked a little bit about Keith Green and some of the early music of the church, and really looked at Calvary Chapel, some of the early pioneers of contemporary Christian music, people that really paved the way for you, for me, for you to be doing what we do in worship today. Without some of those early pioneers in the contemporary Christian worship scene, it would be a totally different picture. One of those we'll be looking at this week is Paul Baloche, and he has written some songs that you will recognize if you've been in church at all in the last 20 years. Paul, Chris Tomlin, Matt Redman, some of these guys have been on the worship scene now for that long, and Paul is one of those guys that started to rise up in the late 1990s, and so you'll have a chance to look at one of his heart songs that really has shaped a lot of young people throughout the times. In our spiritual life forum, we'll be looking at Luke 11, which talks about the Lord's Prayer, introduces us to the Lord's Prayer, and you'll be asked to write a responsive collect. Now, a collect is virtually a prayer. The spiritual life forum will describe that a little bit deeper. A collect is a prayer, and a responsive prayer is one that is done between two or more entities. So a responsive collect will be a part of that. You'll also we'll delve into the first couple of chapters of The Worship Architect by Constance Cherry. And then this week we also have a closer look at the ministries and programs that we're going to be developing as part of our comprehensive worship ministry plan. Busy week, dig in there, and have a great time with it. Blessings.